Hi friends, this is the lecture number 5 for statistics. Already we have discussed about the mean, median, mode and all the lectures. So my request that please open the lecture. Okay, at first you must study, then you must come here. And in this lecture today we will discuss about the percentile and decile and the quartile and everything we will discuss. And we will also introduce how the data it is important for the research holder, even you are studying in MBA classes, BBA classes, for the B.Tech and for the PhD holder. This is very important. So today, at first my request to everyone that if the pictures, the video, this is not clear, at first open the book and repeat the video many times. This is very important. You must note it. Okay. So today we will discuss about the stat. Before coming in the stat, okay, in this lecture I will just give you some example. You know that this is the data x 1 2 3 4 5 and this is the frequency f 6 4 1 6 4 2 4 4 3 7 4 4 3 and 4 5 2. Okay, these are the frequencies 6 4 7 3 2. Okay, now this is the cumulative frequency. How to know the cumulative frequency? 6 is 6, 6 plus 4 is equal to 10, 10 plus 7 is equal to 17, 17 plus 3 is equal to 20 and 20 plus 2 is equal to 22. Okay. Now this is another data. This data and this data both are same, only we have changed the frequency. Okay. For 1 the frequency is 2, for 2 the frequency is 3, for 3 the frequency is 4. 4 the frequency is 6 and 5 the frequency is 7. In this time the cumulative frequency is 2 and 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, 5 plus 4 is equal to 9, 9 plus 6 is equal to 15 and 15 plus 7 is equal to 22. Now you can see that this data and this data, if you want to find the median, you at first you will count how many data you have. These are even or odd. You know that here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the odd data. Whenever you have odd, then the method is n upon 2 in this condition. So the total data, the addition of all frequencies 22 upon 2 is equal to 11. And here also 22 upon 2 is equal to 11. Now you can see that this data is different, this data is different. But your median is same. Now you can see that median is same. So whenever the median is same, so in this condition you cannot find any conclusion. Okay, this median, according to this median, if you are just taking the median, by the help of median you cannot find any conclusion for your data. Number first. The second example, you have first example 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And second time example 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 and third is 1, 5, 9, 13, 17. Okay. These are the three data and if you add all the data 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10 plus 11 this is 45. Also 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus 12 plus 15 this is also 45 and 1 plus 5 plus 9 plus 13 plus 17 this is also 45. If all the cases the number of observation is 5. In all the cases, the number of observation is 5 and mean is 9. Here, you can see that 2 data are here, 2 data are here. So this is the middle value. So middle value means this is the mean and here is also middle value, this is the mean and here is also middle value, this is the mean. Okay. So what we can see that for all the observation, the mean is 9. If we have given that the mean of 5 observation is 9. Okay, we cannot form any idea as to whether it is the average of first series, second series or third series. First series, second series or third series. You cannot find any observation, you cannot find any conclusion by the help of this data because of whose sum is 45. Its sum is also 45, its sum is also 45, its sum is also 45. So you can see that this is a very big problem. Okay, so how to just tackle this problem? So now in this condition we have we have actually collect the data. Okay, at first we have collected data, and after then we divide the data in several parts. At first we collect the data, and after then we divide the data in several parts. These are the values which divide the series into number of equal parts. Here you can see that this is the data, and we divide in 3 form. Okay. The first, second and third points are known as first, second and third quartiles. Okay. If here we have divided 1, 2, 3, 4 group. If you will divide 9 group, the 9 points which divide the series into 10 equal parts are called deciles. If you will divide the series in 9 equal parts, then you will say that this is the deciles. And for the percentiles are the 99 points. In this condition you have divided the data in 99 points. Okay, so you divided the 99 points which divide the series into 100 equal parts. Okay, that is the percentile. For percentile we divide the data in 100 parts, and for the decile we divide the data in 9 parts, and for this series for quartiles you divide the data in this form. Okay, 3 parts. Actually parts is 3, but total form are 4. For this parts is 9, but total form are 10. Parts are here parts are 99 points, but total equal parts are 100. Okay, so in this condition, whenever you have divided the data, in this condition, in each pieces of data, okay, in each points of the data, in each the divided part of the data, after then you can find some conclusion. You can find some conclusion. Now, in your exam, what they ask? In your exam, whenever you have divided the data, then they ask find the quartile, the decile and percentile. How to find it? Okay, this is the example they have asked in previous year exam. The question is, you must write 8 coins were tossed together and the number of heads resulting was noted. The operation was repeated 256 times and the frequencies that were obtained for the different values of x, the number of heads, are shown in the following table. Okay, so calculate. Now he is asking calculate the median, the quartiles and the 4th decile and 27th percentile. He is asking. Now this is the data 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now the frequency for the given data is for 0 is 1, for 1 is 9, for 2 is 26, for 3 is 59, for 4 is 72, for 5 is 52, for 6 is 29, for 7 is 7 and for 8 is 1. Okay. Now the cumulative frequency, how to find? Already we have discussed. The cumulative frequency 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. Okay. 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. 26 plus 10 is equal to 36. 59 plus 36 is equal to 95. 72 plus 95 is equal to 167. 52 plus 167 is equal to 219. 29 plus 219 is equal to 248. 7 plus 248 is equal to 255. And 255 plus 1 is equal to 256. Okay. This is the way to find the cumulative frequency. Now our target to find the median. At first we will check the data is odd or even. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, the data is odd. Whenever the data is odd, at that time you will use the formula n upon 2. Okay, so this n upon 2 means the total, the cumulative frequency, the total sum of the all frequency is 256 upon 2 is equal to 128. This is the median for the given data. Okay. Now the cumulative frequency just greater than 128 is 167. Your value is median is 128. Now you will check where the data is 128. It will be hold. You can see that 128. It can hold 167. It can hold 128. Okay. For your cumulative frequency is just greater than 128 is 167. Okay. It must be greater than 128, and that is 167. Okay. For 167, your mean. The median is for 167. The median is 4. For the given data, your median is 4. Okay, very simple. Now we will find the quartile. Okay, how to find it? Q1. Okay, you have divided. Already we have discussed for the quartile. There will be total number of 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. In 4 parts, you are just thinking about Q1. Your Q1. Okay. How to find Q1? Q1 is equal to 1 upon 4n. Okay. So your n is 128. Sorry. Your n is 256. Your n is 256. The sum of the all frequency, that is n. Okay. So 128, 256. Okay, 256 upon 2 is equal to 128. Okay, this is the median, and for this n, your n is 256. So you will write here 256 upon 4 is equal to 64. Again, the cumulative frequency is just greater than 64 is 95. Okay, so 95, it is 64. So greater than 64 is 95. And for 95, your Q1 is 3. Okay, for 95, your Q1 is 3. So that is the way to find your Q1. Similarly, you can find Q2, Q3, Q3. Okay, now hence Q1 is equal to 3. Now suppose your examiner, he has asked to find Q3. So Q3 is the third part of the 4 total equal part. So you have written 3 upon 4. N. Okay, so what is the n? Already we have told you that n is 256. Sum of the all frequency, that is 256 upon into 3 upon 4, that is 192. And the cumulative frequency is greater than 192 is 219. Okay, so 192. Now you will think that this 192, which data can hold? Okay, that is 219. Okay, this is 192 is just greater than 192 is just less than 219. So it's for the given data, the value is 5. Okay, the value is 5. It means that your Q3 is 5. Now similarly, you can find Q2 also. Now for the decile. For decile, you have divided your data in total number of 9 equal parts. Okay, you are divided in 9 equal parts, but your data it is in 10 equal parts. Okay, there are total number of 9 points whenever you are finding decile, and total your data total divided in 10 parts. Okay, so you will use this formula, but he is asking D4. He is asking fourth decile. He is asking. So fourth decile, 4 upon 10 into n. N is 256. 256 into 4 upon 10 is equal to 102.4. Okay. To reduce the time, already we have solved the question. So 102.4, and this cumulative frequency is just greater than 104.4 is 167. So this is 167. It is holding this 102.4. Okay. So your D4 is 4. Your D4 is 4. Okay. For this data, your D4 is 4. Now, if you want to find the percentile, okay. For the percentile, he is asking the 27th percentile. Okay. For the 27th percentile, total number of data it is divided in 100 parts. But he is asking 27th part. Okay, so 27 upon 100. Okay, because of for the percentile, you have divided total number of data in 99 points. But the total the data it is in 100 equal parts. Okay, so we have written 27 upon 100 into n. Okay, your n is 256. If you multiply, then you will get 69.2, and just 69.2, 69.2, and its cumulative frequency is just greater than 69.2 is 95. You can see 69.2 is 95. Okay, so it's greater value 69.12. It can hold the data. Okay, so 95. So your value is 3. Okay, hence P27 is 3. If in the your examiner he will ask P the percentile 57th percentile, what will you do? 57 upon 100 into n. Very simple. If your examiner is asking 7th decile, then what will you do? 7 upon 10 into n. Very simple. Okay. So this is a very simple. In the examiner they ask this, and what is the meaning of why we are just doing this? Because of this problem. You have seen for this data the median is 11, and for the same data if I am just changing the frequency, then after that also the median is same. And you can see that you have 3 data, and by the help of 3 data, and if you will find the mean, your mean is 9 for all data. So for this observation, for this if we have given that the mean is 5, observation is 9, so we cannot find any idea. Okay, so in this condition we have divided the data in many small parts to find the best conclusion. Okay, so now we are just going in the next question. Okay, next question. If the question is, if in the examiner they have asked the question based on interval, then how to solve it? Now we will discuss. Okay, so now in the question number 2 he is asking, following the distribution of marks obtained by 500 candidates in statistics paper of civil services examination, marks more than 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Number of the candidates are 500, and for 10, 460, 420, 400, 430, 200, 440, 100, and 450, 30. Okay. Calculate the lower quartiles marks if 70% of the candidate pass in the paper. Find the minimum marks obtained by the pass candidate. Okay, same theory. You have also seen the in IAS examination, and also in many government examination, in GATE examination, also in GR examination, how they find the minimum marks. This is the theory. Okay, then same theory they use. So the marks more than 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. The cumulative frequency, already they have given us 500, then this is 460, this is 400, this is 200, this is 100, and this is 30. Already we have written. Now we have made the class interval 0 to 10, this is 500, 10 to 20 is 460, 20 to 30 is 400, 30 to 40 is 200, 40 to 50 is 100, and 50 and above is 30. Whenever you have the interval based question, then you will use this formula. We are explaining. Okay, you will not use the previous formula in this condition. The frequency is, how to find the frequency? You will subtract this value and this value. Whatever the value you will get, this value will be for this interval. So 500 minus 460, that is 40 for the given interval, and 460 minus 400, this 60, this is for this interval, and 400 minus 200, this 200 for this interval, and this 200 minus 100, this 100 for this interval 30 to 40, and this 200 minus 100, 200 minus 100 is equal to 100 for this interval 30 to 40, and 100 minus 30, 100 minus 30 is equal to 70. This is for the this interval 40 to 50, and the remaining for this interval 50 and above. Okay, so now we will find the less than cumulative frequency. This is 40 40 plus 60 is equal to 100, 100 plus 200 is equal to 300, 300 plus 100 is equal to 400, 400 plus 70 is equal to 470, 470 plus 30 is equal to 500. Okay, already we have discussed how to find the cumulative frequency. Now, at first we will find the median. Okay, so how to find the median? How many data you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so we are finding the mean. Okay, so this is 500, total value is 500, 500 upon 4 is equal to, we are finding quartiles, oh sorry, we are not finding the median here, we are finding the quartiles. So this n upon 4, this is equal to 125, 500 upon 4 is equal to 125, cumulative frequency greater than 125, that is 300, you can see that this is greater than 125, this is 300, this 300 value, it is holding 125 also. Okay, what is the meaning of cumulative frequency? Okay, so it is holding 125 also. Okay, so 125 is equal to 300 and its class interval is 20 to 30. Okay, its class interval is 20 to 30. Okay, so now at first we will find the first quartiles. So this is the formula. You will use the quartiles formula whenever you have the interval based question. In this condition, Q1 is equal to L plus H upon F bracket N upon 4 minus C bracket close. Okay. If you have Q1, then you will write N upon 4. If you have to find Q3, the last question Q3, then you will write 3 upon 4N. Only this value you have to change. Okay. Only this value you have to change. Only this. The remaining everything is same. 4 different this Q1, Q2, Q3. Okay. So only this one you will change. So what is the meaning of this? L means lower interval. You know that the interval is 20 to 30. So your lower interval is 20. Okay. So you have written 20 here in place of L. Now plus H. What is H? H means interval. Your interval is 10, 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30. So your interval is based on 10. So your H is 10. Okay. Now your frequency, okay, for this value 200, your frequency is 200. Okay, your frequency for the given class is 200. So your value for in place of F you will write 200. Okay. So after then you will put the value n upon 4. Already we have done 125 minus 100. Then what is C? C, what is the meaning of C? C is just above the value. Just above value is C every time. The C is just this, it's above value. Above value is 100 and you will calculate, then you will get 21.25. Since out of 500 students, 70% student pass the test and 30% student fail. Okay. So 30% student fail. So the minimum marks obtained by the past candidates are given by D3. So we can calculate by D3. Decile. You have divided your numbers 1 to 100 in 10 equal parts. 10, 20, 30, 40. 70% pass and 30% are fail. So we are finding for D3. Okay. So for D3 again you will use this same formula, the previous question, 3 upon 10 into n. Total number of divided are 10 and you are taking the third, you are finding the third value. So 3 upon 10 into n. So you will put the value of n, then after that it's 150. Now you will see the cumulative frequency just greater than this value. This 150 is 300. Means this 150, it is also this 300, it is also holding 150. Okay. So the interval in this condition also your interval is also same. Okay, your interval is same. Okay, it is lying in this interval. So now your formula for D3 is equal to L plus H upon F, 3n upon 100 minus C. Same formula. For quartiles, same formula. For deciles, you have also same formula. Nothing you have changed this value only. Okay, for decile already we have discussed how to find D3. This is total number of you have 10 parts. Okay, so after then you have written total number of 10 parts, then after then 3 upon 10, this is not 100, this is 10, okay. 3 n upon 10 minus c, okay. The meaning of L already we have discussed, H already we have discussed, F already we have discussed, this one already we have calculated, the meaning of C already we have discussed. So this formula and this formula both are same, no need to remember, you must know only one formula, okay. Only this we have changed. If he will ask D4, then you will write 4 upon 10n. If he will ask D7, then you will write this 7 upon 10 into n, okay. And suppose someone is asking percentile, now you have to put all value, then this is 22.5, so the minimum marks to pass is 22.5. This theory also, the GATE organization, they also use the same theory to find the minimum marks if total number of candidates are appearing in this examination. Also the GRE also exam, they also use the same formula, okay. You can see the formula, okay. So by the help of this, this is the decile, and for the percentile, okay, we are just talking about the percentile. Whenever you are finding the percentile, in percentile there are total number of 100 parts, okay, total number of 100 parts. So you suppose you have to find 27th percentile. So in this condition you will change only this value. You will write 27 n upon 100, nothing. Suppose someone will ask the 57th percentile, 99 percentile. Someone is asking, you know that many people they just talk about the 99 percentile. I have 99 percentile. So what is the meaning of this? You will place 99 n upon 100. In place of this, you will place 99 n upon 100. All the value you will find, then you will get the marks. Okay, this is the way to find the percentile, decile, quartile, and why we are using the quartile, decile, percentile already we have discussed. Okay, I think that you understand. This is the real concept of statistics we are using in our real life. Also the investors in the stock market, they also use the theory to find the idea. Okay, now in the next lecture we will just think about the this data. We will think about this data, how to find the conclusion by the help of this data. Okay, I think that I hope you understand, and if you are just facing any problem, then you must discuss, you must write in the comment box, then we will just try to provide our best education to you for your future. Okay, thank you so much.